So tell me, where are we going?
Let's go.
What are we going to do over there?
Put some sand.
We're going to put some sand over there?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I need sand.
Because all the kids threw the sand all over the place and there's no sand left?
Yeah.
Was that why?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, the switch. Switch is off.
Okay. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go. You ready, dude? Let's go. Let's go fast as we can.
So people were wondering why, or they were asking how I was going to get the sand, which is really nice sand. My buddy hooked me up with some really nice stuff. This is Mason sand. So, but anyways, you know, everyone was wondering, well, how are you going to get it down here? I want to see how you're going to get the tractor down here. And well, I got one answer for that, and I mean, it's the Komatsu. The Komatsu literally will go over anything, any kind of terrain. I mean, that thing is just absolutely the right power to weight ratio, and it's got the right stance as far as width. So, I mean, it's just a billy goat. I mean, it's just completely awesome. And I wasn't about to bring, you know, do it by wheelbarrow and all. So anyway, we got to bring it up in through here, through this gate. And put it in there. now that we're all done, we got them all set up with this beautiful sand.
Yep.
You're going to be happy now, and all your buddies too, huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna hold the camera.
Say yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
We'll see ya, see ya.
See ya.